audio visualizers to your video has never been easy. It might require lots of time, skill, and softwares. What's up, creators? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a music visualizers and the top 10 hacks you can use to evolve as a music artist or content creator or a podcaster. Everything going digital, promoting your music as an artist is as important as a creator. Nothing comes in handy more than your music visualizer. So let's understand the 10 hacks for which you can create it. How to make a music visualizer. First, go on the website of Onemaker.io. Now here you will get the menu to create audio visualizer, music visualizers, and much more for your content creation. So now click on the music visualizer. Now fill in the required fields in the template plus add your music. Now here you can add necessary changes like adding the text, changing color theme, adding logos, and most important, adding your music track to the visualizer. Now click on to make video or save video. Let's discuss a few hacks which will help you to boost your presence. Top 10 hacks. You can get yourself promoted on all social media. Onemaker.io will help you in creating your social media presence. Create theme visualizers and distribute on different platforms. Now, it's an art to manage the right theme with the music, as this will give you more pleasure to your audience and $1,000 tip. It's always good to recognize one fellow for your brand. Start a feedback loop from your fans. Every feedback is a call for improvement. Rather than writing simple blog posts just appear on different podcast platforms, the more people know the real you, the more they appreciate your art. Not only visualizers, you can also create posters, flyers for events like Insta Live or some physical event. Make appealing waveforms for your social media channel. Creating short snippets to brand your podcast is really important. Be handy with creating waveforms with Onemaker.io. Focus on creating consistent creative content.
Now, one of the crucial things to do as an artist or a creator is to map out the strategy. See what your competitors are doing and always try to create something better with it. So what are you waiting for? Do comment below and do subscribe so you'll be the first one to get the next video. Happy learning and happy creation.